The name of this forest is Darien Gap, one of the most dangerous forests in the world. It is so remote that it has not been possible to build a road connecting South America and North America. There are poisonous snakes, insects and ferocious animals in this forest. But wait, what is this girl doing here? She is a resident of this remote forest. She is an Embera. Some of the most beautiful, neat and attractive women in the world are the women of the Embera Tribe. Their women's body painting is so beautiful that they have set themselves apart from any tribe in the world. The beauty of the paintings of the women here, the food and their traditional dance will definitely leave you mesmerized. Today we will enter here. We will see the life of the Embera Tribe and the terrible Darien Gap forest. Where the pit of death is like a step-by-step, we will see how immigrants going to the United States risk their lives to cross this forest. Music, this is the entrance to the Embera village. This is how they welcome tourists. Always well-groomed. The girls here are always dressed up. They wear garlands around their necks, lipstick on their lips and colorful hats. The flowers on their heads double their beauty. We make these garlands to sell in the city. We make our clothes with our own hands. Coins are added to them. They make noise when they dance. We call this bracelet on our hand, hura hura. Canchita is our garland. And our earrings are called chitty chitty. We put fresh flowers on our heads. Although we tie them with a sewn clasp at the back. The dress we wear is called Paruma. Earlier we used to wear the bark of a tree called kukua. But now we wear this. This is their traditional dance. We will watch this dance and learn more about them. But first, let's find out where they actually live. Music, the Embera tribe lives in a small country in Central America, Panama. There is a province in the southeastern part of the country. It is called Darien. The border of this province runs south to the border with Colombia. The Darien region is known as one of the most remote areas in the world. Music, there is dense tropical rainforest, swamps and steep mountains here. The most interesting thing is that this place is called the famous Darien Gap, where there is no road connection between North America and South America. The famous Pan-American Highway stops here. The Embera population today is about 80 to 90,000 people. They live scattered inside this remote province. Small villages along the river, houses with roofs on stilts and self-sufficient livelihoods. This is how they have survived for centuries. Like some tribes in Africa, the Embera tribe has made their women famous for their body painting. Music, but their painting is the best in the world, which makes people stop when they see it. In the dense forests of the distant Darien, where everything is green, there is an Embera woman standing like a canvas of art. Their bodies are not just bodies, they are like a living canvas, where the colors of nature emerge, not the brush strokes. The black and blue color of the jenpa fruit has strange designs. It seems like the leaves of the forest creeper, the waves of the river or the starry sky. Sometimes geometric lines can be seen from the wrist to the ankle. Sometimes flowers, birds and symbols of the sun appear on their tender bodies. Their smiles are like the light of the morning sun. And the red patterns on their bodies are like the current of a flowing river. Together they are like living sculptures emerging from the bosom of nature. This body art of theirs is not just a decoration of beauty, but also a symbol of joy, celebration, and spiritual connection. Embera women tell the fascinating story with their bodies. That is why nature listens to their ears every day. Just as this forest holds these beautiful people in its chest, there are some terrible events on the other side. Thousands of people cross this terrible forest, the Darien Gap, every day, hoping to reach North America. This is a region located on the border of Panama and Colombia, where the world's longest road ends at the Pan-American Highway. Because there are no roads inside this deep forest. So why do people go this way? Basically, many people from South America flee poverty, war, and an uncertain future and dream of the United States. But because they do not have a valid visa or legal path, this inhumane uphill road becomes their only hope. But this journey is not easy, but deadly. They have to cross the muddy rivers and mountains of the dense jungle day after day. Fear of wild animals, poisonous snake infestations, food and water shortages can take their lives at any time. Dangerous drug cartels and human trafficking gangs are active on it who use helpless migrants for their own interests. There are some thrilling real-life stories about the Darien Gap jungle and how people cross this jungle, which would take another whole video to show. If you want to know those true stories, you can write in the comments. According to the United Nations, hundreds of people disappear or lose their lives on this road every year. But even then, life does not stop. It continues like a flowing river. There is laughter behind the tears. Just as the Embera tribe of this forest laughs and celebrates, so too do they. Tonight they have a traditional festival. Preparations are underway for that. Music, they light a fire in the middle and dance around it. Drums and basses are playing. They have strange faces on their faces. The festival continues until late at night. Their food depends on the forest, rivers and small agricultural lands. Every day they go down to the river to catch fish. Along with fish, they eat wild fruits, bananas, putras and raw roots. But here they are cooking for tourists. This food,